Microsoft HoloLens brings holograms into your real world. Using transparent lenses, spatial sound, and an understanding of your environment, holograms look and sound like they're actually part of the world around you. That is mixed reality. With Microsoft HoloLens, holograms are viewed through the holographic frame centered in the middle of your view. This preserves your peripheral vision, so you can move freely and connect and collaborate with people around you. Holograms in mixed reality don't block out what you can see and hear. This enables you to engage with digital content and tools alongside the objects in your real world. Holograms can be world-locked in a physical location, so you can walk around them, or they can travel with you. You can even hear them in 3D with spatial sound. Microsoft HoloLens is the world's first fully untethered, self-contained holographic computer. With the mixed reality experience of HoloLens, you can stay in the real world and interact with real people as you simultaneously explore 3D in 3D.
You have glass. Congratulations! In the next few minutes, we'll show you how to set it up. You can turn on glass by pressing the round power button for about a second. The white light behind the button will turn on and remain lit while glass starts up. You'll know glass is on when the display is lit and you see the glass logo. Put glass on. Rotate the display to see the entire image. To get the right fit, adjust the nose stems. These stems are designed to be adjustable, so don't worry about bending them. The nose pads sit on the bridge of your nose, right there. The display should be above your line of sight. Yep, just like that. Now it's time to launch the MyGlass app on your phone. Hit continue to move on with setup. If you ever need more help, check the Glass Help Center.
Okay, you probably have a smart device, a handheld computer that can run apps, connect to Wi-Fi and other devices, and take pictures and video. So, what are smart glasses? Well, like many smart devices, they have a display, audio output, built-in camera, and microphone, even GPS. And they can access the internet using built-in Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth connection to your internet-connected smartphone. They even have their own operating system, so you can download and run most apps directly in your smart glasses. So how are smart glasses different? Well, they're not handheld. You wear them. The display rests right in front of your eye, so you don't have to look down. Information is right in your field of view. Next, not only can they record HD video and photos, they can also recognize objects and gestures. And with a microphone, they recognize an array of voice commands. The upshot? The power of a smart device, hands-free and compatible with your favorite apps. Get directions, scan barcodes and find the product online. Stream video from remote cameras. Smart glasses can even connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free phone calls and notifications delivered without needing to pick up your phone. Your digital world, hands-free. I'm Paul Hockman for Amazon.com.
This holiday, exclusively on Amazon's wearable store.
Introducing the CES Innovation Award winner, eyewear video headphones from Vuzix. Vuzix and its founder have been a leader in developing video eyewear products for the past 23 years and have won 20 CES Innovation Awards. Never before has a personal wearable entertainment device offered such incredible video and audio performance. It displays incredible 2D and 3D video and advanced interactive virtual reality. It supports HDMI inputs, works with 3D Blu-ray players, tablets, console systems, PCs, Android, and iPhone. Almost any HDMI source is plug and play. Wearing eyewear headphones is like viewing a 125-inch widescreen home theater from 10 feet away. It has a 55-degree diagonal field of view in a 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. The floating display design with minimal face contact makes it super comfortable, so you can wear it for hours and hours. If you're a gamer, the eyewear is perfect for playing intense gaming on a massive video screen that vastly outsizes any home-based flat-screen TV. Well-balanced and very comfortable for long sessions, you simply plug and play, providing an awesome on-screen eyewear experience with head tracking, 3D video and game compatibility, and a large field of view. For MMO and MMOG gamers, the eyewear is perfect for playing remotely with others and being able to talk with the noise-canceling built-in microphones with mic mute.
Okay, you see the chopper. Up, look up, look up.
Especially good for gamers, the eyewear comes with built-in head tracking sensors. Just turn your head and you're there.
Yeah, just rock it. Reload.
Perfect for virtual reality gaming applications and interactive 360 videos. For drone enthusiasts and professionals, an eyewear is the perfect add-on to your handheld controller, providing total immersion for flying your drone more proficiently. Now you can see exactly where your drone is headed. Never before has a total immersion wearable personal entertainment device offered a comparable level of video and audio performance in a mobile solution. Now you can view the future with Vuzix award-winning eyewear wearable display for mobile entertainment, gaming, and virtual reality.